What's up guys, Tao here. So some of you have been asking me how did I manage to put the monitor arm on this IKEA MALM or MALM M-A-L-M desk. Today I'll be explaining to you guys how I did it. Hopefully this video is going to help you if you have this desk and maybe looking for a monitor arm or you're just looking for everything brand new. So yeah, now this will be a short explanation how I did it. Spoiler alert, pain in it. Alright, now you guys can see it at the back of the table. Now, first of all, I just want to emphasize that now this actually is very sturdy table. A lot users ask me, is it sturdy to put two monitors on? The answer is yes. The table itself actually is hollow inside, but there's a frame around it. So it's quite sturdy. So with the two monitors, sometimes even me sit on that, so you got no issue with it. But I will say, by far, the easiest way to mount almost any kind of a monitor is get rid of this cable management runway. Now this actually, it does provide a little bit in terms of structural stability, but in my opinion it's not huge. I've been using this table without the runway for a long period of time, so it just this side of the leg and the other side of the table, so it got no issue with it. But if you do move the table quite often, so without cable management and runway, sometimes you will feel it's a little bit wobbly, but the overall construction is fine. All right, now down to the monitor arms. Now most of the monitor arm I've seen come with two parts. One is the part with the actual arm and the back plate attached. And the second part is the inner plate with the secure screws. So there are two parts, they normally come separate. So if you attach the inner plate and outer plate screwed on like these two, if you want to attach this first and then trying to put it in with the cable management runway attached, there's no way for you to put any parts inside the table or underneath the table. Simply it's not possible, it's too big. So what I did, or what I would suggest you to do, is before you screw this on, and insert the back plates first, and then put the arm and the back plate on top, just to find the right position, and screw these two on the last. So once you found the right position and screw this on, so you have a much better chance to find the right spot. Now this is trial and error process. Took me a while to find the best spot, and also the secure screws. You're gonna have to try to find the right height before you can actually permanently screw these two plates on. And if it doesn't work, you can unscrew it and do it again. So it's just a trial and error. So this is the only way I can think of for you to attach any monitor mount, as long as the monitor arm itself comes with two parts. In my case, after I secured everything, there is a tiny gap between the desk and the secure screw. So I just use a piece of thin metal to fill the gap, and then everything become quite sturdy. So even though I shake it, so it doesn't really move at all. So now it's very secure. Alright, that was a very brief explanation how I mount the monitor arm on this IKEA desk. So if you find the video useful, please smash the like button. Hopefully this video helped you out. And if you can share the video, that'd be fantastic for those people who are looking for the same setup. So see you guys in the next video.